Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day today. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick lesson on fractions. A very simple lesson. So here we have 1/4 plus 1/2. So the 1/4 is represented in this little image right here. One out of the four pieces is shaded. And then you have 1/2. One half of a whole is shaded. So the very first step in solving a fraction is you need to come up with the least common multiple, okay? So basically the smallest number that they both have in common. So let's start with the 4s. So for the 4s, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, just to be sure. And then for the common multiple, the multiples of 2, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, if we look at both sets of these numbers, what is the smallest number that they both have in common? 4, right? So that's how we know what our new denominator is going to be. So then we come over this way and we construct the brand new fraction using that common multiple of 4. Okay? Now, looking down here, what did 4 need to do to get to 4? I know that's a crazy question. It sounds super crazy. But the only thing that happened with the 4 is that it was multiplied by 1. So since we multiplied that bottom by 1, we need to multiply the top by 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, right? Same thing with the bottom. What number did 2 get multiplied by to get to 4? It was multiplied by 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So go ahead and multiply that 1 by 2. 1 times 2 is 2 still. Okay, now we are looking at these just so you guys are not getting lost. These are our new fractions that we have created. And since we are adding, we keep the denominator. The denominator is not going to change. Keep the denominator of 4. Now we add the two numerators. The numerator is the top number, 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And that is your final answer. So 1/4 plus 1/2 is equal to 3/4. That is how you solve it. Though solving it this way will help you solve any fraction. Well, any fraction that you're adding. And let's do another one. And so again, the first step was to find the multiples of the top and bottom number. Find the multiples within the denominator. So for the 6's, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, and then 30. For the 9's, we have 9, 18, 27, 36. That should be good. So then if we're looking at both sets of numbers, what is the smallest number that they both have in common? It's not the 6. It's not the 12, but it's the 18. They both have the 18 in common. So the 18 is going to be our new denominator. Let's build our new fractions with that new denominator. You have 18 there, 18 here. Okay, so now we're looking at what does 9 need to do to get to 18. 9 is multiplied by 2. To get to 18. So again, whatever we do to the top, the bottom, we have to do it to the top. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. 6, what happens to the 6 to make it 18? We multiply that by 3. And do that to the top as well. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, and then now we are ready to go ahead and add our new fractions together, keeping the denominator 18, and then we add the top two. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now, this is a good answer, okay? But we can take it from good to better. There is a number that goes into both of these numbers equally. I'll give you guys a second to think about that. What number can go into both 16 and 18 equally? So that number is actually 2. So we're going to reduce this fraction, basically make it smaller. So let's divide the top and the bottom by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 4/6 and 2/9 added together gives you 16 over 18. But when reduced gives you 8/9. Okay, I hope you guys were able to keep up with that lesson. Thank you and have a great day.